Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Harbor Freight. We're looking at the new tools, and this is a new store. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. Alright, as we can see, first thing we see when we walk in, we see these Harbor Freight carts, different colors. As you guys can see, we have all the accessories now in different colors. We got the towel holders, the gloves holder, the screwdriver side holder. You got all the accessories in all the colors. So even if you have a toolbox that is not even Harbor Freight brand, like US General or something else, you guys can feel free to come in and grab yourself an accessory and get an accessory for that color. Yes, we can see that they did raise the price on the inflator from Bauer from $39 to $49. I did get it for $39 last time I came, and just weird how they raised the price. That's a nice angle grinder. It feels real good in the hand. It feels a little heavy, but it feels real solid. I gotta try it out. The vacuum's $39.99. It's a nice feel for that jigsaw. A lot of new tools from Bauer. More tools from Bauer are coming up, so stay tuned for those new tools that are coming up. Yeah, it looks like the Hercules section is pretty empty. I was just looking at these tags, make sure that's not a new tool that's coming up, but yeah, it's just a regular drill, hammer drill, and impact driver that they're out of there. The only ones they have left is the 12-volt line. That's a nice miter saw there. The angle grinders. Gotta say, I haven't seen this angle grinder before. It's weird seeing it. Usually you see the red one, but not the... That's the one that's $10 usually. So there's always a coupon for $10 for that one. And I'm looking for some cut-off wheels or some grinding wheels for my grinder. And they do have a lot of coupons for these, so always make sure you buy your cut-off wheels with coupons. And that's the 3-in-1 that I have. You guys haven't seen the review for that, look at 3-in-1 hammer drill for that review. 3-in-1 hammer drill, tool head 147. They're here at YouTube search. Yeah, I was looking at all those accessories for the angle grinders. Those are the batteries, the new batteries. And I was looking at the new, I don't know if it's a new package or not, but seems fairly new to me because I haven't seen them this color. The 9mm neutral gloves. Yeah, I never seen them orange. Must have been just me. I don't know. But yeah, those are excellent gloves, by the way. Those 9mm, 7mm are great for mechanics. The 5mm I would do it for mostly for cleaning or for light duty work. You know, lighter duty work. See some nice clamps there. I was just looking at these clamps. The red and black. So all the welders, Chicago Electric. You know, if you're starting off, you don't want to waste a lot of money. These welders are not bad. But yeah, if you're a pro, if you do a lot more welding for professional, I would definitely consider titanium or Vulcan. Vulcan's probably going to be your top tier from Harbor Freight. These are all great welders. Even the Chicago Electric will do the job. But if you want a better machine, you know, get green or orange, pretty much. $6.99 for that. And there's always coupons for these, so never pay the actual price. Always shop around. You can download the app, or you can wait for my coupons, because I get emails all the time with coupons. Or you can just go to the website. Usually they have coupons in the website itself, so it just depends. Or wait for a sale, because the parking lot sales. That is the used tool or the return tool section there. Got miter saw there, and a few extensions and bits and so forth. Yeah, nothing worth really getting here, unless you get a good deal on it, you get a major discount. These are nice tie downs there. Yeah, definitely. I know some guys put comments on my videos that they talk to the manager and get discounts over all those items, but I never tried that myself. So I guess the good thing is just to keep a good relationship with your manager. Make sure you get to know the folks out there at the Harbor Freights, and always be polite with the staff and with other employees. Yeah, those are the lights. I'm surprised they have this brown light here. I've been, I've been looking at all these stores, and every time I look, I try to find one of those, and they're all gone. There's a store that I even went to that doesn't even have the price tag anymore. That's weird. Yeah, so weird. Fortress compressors. Yeah, I was looking at this. It looks kind of small compared to the other one. It looks real small. But yeah, it's a lighter weight, lighter duty type of tool here. It will do the job. You know, it's $49.99, and there's usually coupons out there for this. Usually 10%. Usually on the parking lot sales, that's when you really get good deals. That is the blower right there. Like I said, all these tools are mostly lighter use DIY type of tools, especially those Bauer ones. Now I was looking at those end caps just to see if anything that's on a coupon or anything. Just like to see those end caps there. Usually they have those free coupon items there. And I'm looking for some trim tools here. I gotta do some work to the vehicle, to the Kia. So I don't know if I'm which trim tools or trim kit I'm gonna get. We'll find out. That's the new buffer or polisher from Bauer. That's the pad itself. Yeah, I didn't know Harbor Freight sell all these accessories for the polishing and especially Meguiar's brand. Anyways, that's the Bauer, the new one, heavy duty guaranteed. Looks real nice. It is corded, so yeah, it looks real nice. I gotta try it out. I was looking at those wiring kits and the winch controllers there. And you got the light bars there. Some winches, more light. Recovery strap, $34.99 for that recovery. Yeah, these are pretty nice. Actually, it's a great deal for $21.99. You can get into 20% off coupon with that. It is included on that, so you can get the 20% off. Definitely worth the $21. And then here, you get you have to buy them separately. But yeah, definitely worth getting the little bundle there. Plus they are good quality. I mean, they're not gonna be like your Matco and all the great brands. It's gonna be more like the Craftsman grade or lower. Still great brands. Yeah, I wanted to get this power back for the longest time ever. Couldn't find it. I guess only this store has it now. But yeah, look out for the review on this. We'll be doing a review probably like in 2 weeks. So stay tuned on my channel for the review of that thing. See if it's worth buying or not. So it's like it got two. There's the button right there to turn it on. Just the LED. And that's a newer item too. I have never seen this before. That's the Abstract 3 outlet. I gotta do a review on this. So most likely I'll do a review on that too. It's a much easier... Sorry, my phone's going off. It's a much easier, you know, version of the electrical USB port type of thing. So all you do is just plug it in anywhere pretty much. And you're good to go. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.